Hi guys, today I'm going to show you what I have in my aviary. These are the birds that temporarily staying in this aviary, and eventually I'm going to put them in the cages, the breeding cages. So this is this bird is called, what do you call that bird? This is Rosey Bourke, by the way. That elegant parrot. And this one is Scarlet chested. So it's a very beautiful bird. You see the color on it. This one, and it's a female looking for a male. And Scarlet chest, and that one is Elegance Rosey Bourke. So I have all of them together. These are two female, young female. Really like the color of these birds. Obviously, my Rosey Bourke. He's a male, but he's somehow sad. I don't know why, but it's pretty sad. Sad and alone. The Scarlet chested. A beauty. And some sun. And then I have those normal Bourkes, some in cages, and those babies are on the top, sitting, enjoying the view. They all fine with each other as long as you don't put breeding cages. And I think is, they recommend not to put them together. I mean, but they're fine together because they're same kind of like, category of birds. They're not aggressive. They're very mellow, and they're very nice looking birds. Show you some of my Rosey Bourkes, which you guys already have seen it. There's one female sitting. Oops, they're flying. They just go from one cage to another cage. Bunch of Rosey Bourkes. Mostly males. Back to birds here. I think that's it for today. And if you have any question, anything, please email me and I'll see if I can reply you back on that. All right. Ciao.